A rope of mass 0.1 kg is connected at the same height of two opposite walls. It is allowed to hang under its own weight. At the contact point between the rope and the wall, the rope makes an angle theta equals to 10 degrees with respect to horizontal. Treat theta equals to 10 degrees as a very small angle, and then the tension in the rope at its midpoint between the walls is. According to the problem, a rope of mass 0.1 kg is connected at same height of two opposite walls. Let us suppose these two are vertical opposite walls to which a rope of mass m is connected at same height. Let A and B be the contact point between the rope and the wall. It is also said that at the contact point, the rope makes an angle of 10 degrees with respect to horizontal. So if this is horizontal, rope subtends an angle of 10 degrees at either of the contact points. Now let us draw free body diagram on the rope. Its weight mg acts vertically downwards, and at contact points tension T will act in such a direction that it subtends 10 degrees angle with the horizontal at either of the contact points. Now tension gets resolved into two components as T cos 10 degrees and T sin 10 degrees. T cos 10 degrees will cancel out each other, and 2T sin 10 degrees balances the weight of the rope. Since 10 degrees is very small angle, sin 10 degrees can be written as nearly 10 degrees. And 10 degrees can be written as 2 pi upon 360 multiplied by 10 radians. So this implies 2t multiplied by 2 pi upon 360 multiplied by 10 radians is equal to, mass is 1 upon 10 kg and g is 10. On simplification, we can write T equal to as 90 upon pi. Since pi is 22 upon 7, substituting that value, T is equal to 630 upon 22. Tension is nearly equal to 28.66 newtons. It can be also expressed as tension is equal to 2.86 kg weight. Therefore, the correct option is 3.